tutorial hell is... I get it! Loops are actually the constant evolution. If only we break complexity into manageable chunks and learn by training the programmer mind. This is the core! This is how we do it! This is the essence of coding. The back end is the backbone. Time to deepen with a limitless practice that awakens frontiers. I just realized again why we love to be here. Straightforwardness, Binomix. Do not forget the languages. I wizard. A versatile one. A problem-solving one. Arcane and some enhancers. This is an extraordinary comprehension. And yeah, that means you must stay active. Simple as a step-by-step plan from experienced instructors, combining theory with instant application through dynamic exercises, even while discovering concepts like your own. Therefore, it's programming time. We guide you, but you do it. Hold your path, break the algorithm. This is Cipheros.